Good morning, winners! Welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. I have some information for you today. Today we're going to talk about a business corporate card that has no PG, no minimum credit score requirements. Did you hear me? Okay, today I'm going to outline Brex. Write that down. B-R-E-X. And before you think you've heard everything about Brex, pause, because Brex is constantly updating, constantly coming out with new products, constantly coming out with new perks, which is why I'm doing a complete video on them directly, guys. And Brex is geared specifically towards startup companies, guys. So if you're a brand new business, if you're a startup, if you've been in business for a while but never built business credit, never used business credit, Brex is an amazing option for you. So in this video, guys, I'm going to outline, what is Brex, what are some of the benefits, and also what you actually need to qualify. Get a notebook, get a pen, okay, guys? And if you are new, welcome. My name is Terry. I am a self-employed entrepreneur, mother, YouTuber, real estate investor, self-employed entrepreneur, guys, that upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday morning. And guys, my goal with the channel, my goal with my videos is always to give you opportunities, options, the right information to leverage your personal and business credit to build wealth, to put into income producing assets, to build net worth and legacy, okay? This channel is about the big money, okay? So subscribe, like, share, send this video to 10 people in your network who this can benefit. And I will do my nugget at the end. So first, Brex, guys. Brex has been around for a while. They are a fintech company, but they have constantly updated their programs, their financing, their requirements, okay? So they are a corporate credit card, okay, that you can get for your business. Now, some of the benefits, a lot of benefits, guys, is number one, no PG. So even as a brand new business owner, new entrepreneur, new investor, you do not have to be a PG for a Brex corporate card, okay? Another thing, guys, is there's no hidden fees, no annual fees, no interest. Absolutely amazing. Your credit score, guys, your personal credit score does not matter with Brex. Yes, y'all, this means if you have a 400, a 500, a 600 credit score, you can still get a Brex corporate card, guys. And let me tell you why I'm doing this video. Because a lot of you guys are like, I don't have business credit, or I have bad personal credit and you can't get any funding. Well, guys, Brex is focused on revenue. They kind of change the model. That's why they're a fintech company. They're cutting edge. They're being super competitive with a lot of the other lenders in this space. So where most of the cards, right, for business look at personal credit and business, or just business, Brex does not look at personal. They don't care about your personal scores. They don't care necessarily too much about your business credit. They actually focus on revenue. So guys, this is a solution, because you can't have bad personal credit, no business credit, and no revenue, and want these businesses to give you unsecured debt, right? Unsecured credit cards, unsecured lines of credit. So Brex focuses specifically on your business revenue, and I'll jump more into that in a minute, okay? So no minimum credit score requirement, no PG, no hard inquiry, guys. Another huge benefit is that while you're using the Brex card, guys, it builds your business credit, guys. Yes, they actually report to DMB and to Experian. So strategy, I need you guys to think about this and follow me, because my channel is very heavily focused on strategy. Even if you're like, I may or may not need that card, or I'm not sure if I qualify, or I don't like all of the terms. Guys, how do you build business credit? It's by having multiple trade lines, and even trade lines with higher amounts. So you can be strategic with just getting a Brex corporate card, since it has no fees, no interest, no annual fee, anything of that nature. So you can have a business trade line for your business, reporting to the business bureaus with a higher amount that is then going to do what? Help you get other business credit. It can help you get the business credit cards, the business lines of credit, the business loans, possibly SBA financing to purchase a car in your business's name, like I have done and I've helped so many other people do. So guys, always be thinking strategy. If it's no hard inquiry, no PG, and it's for business credit, there's no reason not to get it, to be honest with you, okay? So another huge benefit, guys, is they have a ton of reward points. OMG. And you guys know in general, like for personal credit, I'm always like, you're not building wealth with reward points and blah, blah, blah. But I'm talking about reward points for business, which is, again, strategy. So even if you're like, I'm not sure if I need this card or not, guys. And mind you, let me just be transparent right here. I am not an affiliate. I am not a partner for Brex. I truly just actually think it's a great way to build business credit and to have leverage. So let me just add that right there. At least at the time of this video, I'm not. Okay? And so this is where the rewards points, guys, are excellent. So you get anywhere from like 4 times to 7 times to 8 times reward points on some categories that you guys use often. So I think it's like 7x or 8x on rideshare. So like Uber, on Lyft. I know plenty of us use that. I know when I travel sometimes, depending on where I'm at and what I'm doing, I may or may not get a rental car. Sometimes I'll just do like the Uber Lyfts and stuff like that. So 7x and 8x rewards points on like Uber Lyft. Also on like restaurants. Plenty of restaurants, they have like anywhere from 4 to 7 times reward points. Also on like food services, right? So like DoorDash, like Uber Eats, guys. Even like on reoccurring software. So for me, because I'm a service, I have reoccurring software for like, you know, Thinkific and Zoom and other things like that. So if your business, this is strategy, guys. If you currently have a business and you have any reoccurring software, maybe it's for your phone, maybe it's for your fax, maybe it's for your virtual office. Come on, somebody, follow me. When it becomes a well-oiled machine, your business funds the business. Your business funds the business. Maybe you get a Brex corporate card and you just put your phone service on there or just put your virtual office on there. Something of that nature where it's put on the credit card to keep the activity. You're going to get some rewards points based on a service you already use and pay for. Then you pay it every single month and you're basically like building up your business credit and getting rewards points for something you're already paying for, guys. Smart, okay? So they have a lot of reward points based on reoccurring software that you guys use. Now, they also have even more rewards points, guys, based on travels. They have a whole separate, I think it's a separate website or a separate program where it's Brex Travel, and you can get additional rewards points for hotels and for airfare and for car rentals. I'm traveling all the time now, so I absolutely like love it, love it, love it. Now, another thing is that they're integrated software. So they actually integrate with some of your guys' accounting software. So like QuickBooks, Xero, I think NetSuite, a whole bunch of them, guys. So with small business owners, with entrepreneurs, with investors, one of our biggest hurdles, right, is not doing good record keeping, not doing good bookkeeping. When our taxes comes, everything is everywhere, guys. So your Brex card comes with an integrated system that can actually help you with expenses, keeping track of receipts, can integrate with your accounting software, so it's all on one platform. Super, super smart. They even have where I think it's like 3 different ways you guys can upload receipts. So say you're out, on a business trip and you're going out to dinner. You can take a snapshot of that receipt and it can upload to your system. I think they also can send you a link. So I think there's also maybe like a fax you can send it to. So a smart way that in the moment kind of capture everything so you guys don't have to worry about it later on. So super, super, super user friendly. Okay. And then another thing I want to say is that you must be a legitimate business, guys. Must. So because they don't do personal credit scores, because they don't do personal PGs, you must have a business and an EIN. So if you're just a DBA, you're not going to qualify. If you're a sole proprietor, you're not going to qualify. If you have a business and you have not incorporated, you're not going to qualify. You must have your business incorporated. You must have your EIN. You must have a business bank account. And I'm going to add, you want to at the very least, at least have your DUNS. You don't necessarily have to have business credit, guys. That will help. Business credit will help you qualify for more money, but you don't necessarily need that. But you should at least have your DUNS to give yourselves a better chance of qualifying for the better card and higher amounts, which is another huge benefit, guys. One of the benefits, another benefit for Brex is that they have between 10 and 20 times the regular credit limits for regular business credit cards, guys. Like a ton of money. So again, strategy, just having a trade line for your business for Dun & Bradstreet or Experian that has $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 is going to help you build business credit and qualify for other money. Got it, good, guys. Now, with the revenue-based kind of model, you must have money in your business bank account. I don't know what to tell you guys. And to be honest, a lot of you guys do. Some of you guys have been cash flow all this time and not building business credit. And you're like, I have all this money, but I haven't been building business credit. I don't have any leverage. Guys, this is where they're going to link your bank accounts to their system. So I think they use Plaid. That's very commonly used with business credit and linking your business bank accounts. But no, you must have money in your business bank account to qualify, because they're not doing a PG and they're not doing personal credit and they don't have any business credit requirements. So they are revenue based. The more revenue you have, the more you will qualify for, period. But guys, read in between the lines. Let's say you do a flip and you have an influx of cash flow. Have the cash flow in the bank, apply. Let's say you get income tax money, or you did a cash out refinance, or somebody borrowed money for your business and you got to pay off and they paid you back. Let's say you have some high ticket items. Let's say you have a really great quarter, like whatever it is, guys. If you can leverage that and read in between the lines, a good 3 months of strong business banking can then help you qualify for sometimes a $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 business corporate credit card guys. Okay, now real quick, it is like a charge card, meaning that they're going to want you to pay it back in 30 days. Again, guys, don't be scared by that, because you'd be surprised, especially like my investors, how you get into a jam and you need some money real quick for, an invoice, for a permit, for a license, for an inspection, for renovations, for all my other business owners. There's always unexpected costs. So you'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it, guys. Just because you have $50,000 doesn't mean you need to like max it out. So get the card, have it there. If you don't need it right now, don't use it. Real talk. Or use it for your everyday expenses so you can get your rewards points and pay yourself back and stop using what? So much of your personal credit and your personal credit cards. That way your personal credit utilization can go down and your personal scores can go up, guys. Strategy. Now, if you have not that great business revenue and you're a new business owner and not good business credit, they may still qualify you, but then they have like a cash account almost. Think about it like a debit card where you're going to use your Brex card and then it's going to take the money out right away to pay it back. So you're almost using it like a debit card, like a cash account, which honestly, I'm not scared by that either, guys. You crawl before you walk. So if you only can qualify for a cash account, you get the cash account, you use it one time responsibly, and a good 3 to 6 months, you ask them, can you upgrade to the corporate card? That's it, guys. And honestly, they're coming out with new products constantly. So I would say if Brex is not an option for you right now, keep your eye on this company, because they are launching new things constantly. They're being super competitive in this market. And so pay attention to them, okay? So recap, Brex is a business corporate credit card, no PG, no minimum credit score, reports to the business credit bureaus, a ton of reward points, super high limits. You must be a legitimate business. Amazing option to help you build business credit and have some leverage. Amen, guys. And for my nugget, guys, I need you to learn to say no. Did y'all hear me? Like, literally protect your peace. Some of you guys are not at the next level because you're saying yes to everybody. You're taking on everybody's problems, everybody's burdens. Everybody is draining you for information. Tell them to do the workshop. Tell them to read the book. Tell them to go to the conference. Tell them to watch the podcast. Tell them to invest in a strategy session with me. Tell them to invest in an online course. Guys, a lot of you are doing all this work and you can't execute because you're spending all your time pouring into other people who are not pouring into you. Guys, everybody wants to be a boss. Nobody wants to make the hard decisions. Guess what? When you're a boss, you must learn to say no sometimes. Guys, it's self-preservation. You cannot elevate if you're constantly drained. You cannot elevate if you're constantly drained. So I need you in this season to focus on you, to elevate yourself, to get to the next level. And then you reach back and help somebody else up through the ranks. Amen? Learn to say no. Nada. Okay? I hope that was helpful for you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and have a super amazing day on purpose.